In this video, we will show you a fast, easy, and inexpensive way to protect the integrity of your air conditioning repair, protect your equipment from contamination, and to warranty your work with confidence. By attaching these one-time use tamper evidence straps over the service ports, you can ensure that nobody has interfered with the system since you last worked on it. If the vehicle returns to your shop with the straps damaged or missing, you will know that it is very likely that somebody has attempted to service the system since it was last in your shop. Once installed, the tamper evidence straps cannot be removed without cutting them off or damaging them. If the straps are missing or damaged, you will know that the system could be contaminated with a dangerous, unapproved refrigerant or even sealer. Each strap has a unique ID number that can be printed on the repair invoice when you return the vehicle to the customer. You could also take a picture of the ID number and attach it to the vehicle repair record if you prefer. A missing or damaged strap is your cue to check for the presence of sealer and or refrigerant contamination before attaching your expensive recovery equipment to the vehicle. When you install the straps, don't forget to affix this label nearby, explaining that if the straps are removed, the warranty may be void. You may also want to explain this to your customer. The tamper evidence straps have several unique benefits. They discourage DIY repair attempts, which can muddy your diagnostic day if the customer returns with a concern later. The straps save time. If the vehicle returns for service with the straps intact, then you know that you can skip refrigerant identification and sealer checks and connect your recovery equipment directly to the system. The straps can also help you more confidently confirm if the system has a leak. If a customer returns with the performance concern and you recover significantly less than the original refrigerant charge amount, you can be very confident that the system most likely has a leak which you will need to find and repair, since refrigerant could not have been removed or added since you worked on the vehicle. However, do keep in mind that in rare instances, the compressor relief valve could have vented refrigerant due to excessively high pressure. On the other hand, if you recover close to the original charge amount, then you can be equally confident that the system does not have a leak. So next time you service an air conditioning system, seal the deal and protect the integrity of your repair, your equipment, and your warranty by attaching these tamper evidence straps to the service ports. The Napa Temp part number for the 10-pack of tamper evidence straps shown here is 209858. Our Napa Temp Pro kits come with a strap included. These kits include all the critical parts that you need for a complete, comeback-free repair. Thank you for watching.